completely losing their nights over you. You are lucky for this person, ready to fight for you. You are totally armed. Celebrate each other. Blur your vision. Hi Libra, welcome back to my channel to Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your weekly love reading for the month of January, Tuesday special. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this spread. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your person's mind, what they're thinking towards you and what their feelings towards you. Okay, let's get started. Libra, what are the Libra person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Libra? What are the Libra person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Libra? What are the Libra person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Libra? And we are having here Nine of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Six of Cups. So what are the Libra's feelings toward this person? What are the Libra's feelings toward this person? And we are having here Knight of Cups, Judgment, Two of Swords, King of Swords. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? And we are having here Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Wands. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. It could be any Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Nine of Swords, Three of Swords, Knight of Swords, King of Swords, Two of Swords. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Knight of Cups, Six of Cups, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ace of Wands, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Ace of Pentacles. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling here, Libra. And your person is heartbroken and in depression, not so healthy here. This person is in anxiety, in depression. They're completely losing their nights over you. They're missing you and they are fear of losing you forever in them. And this person is not sleeping well because of you. They are restless and sleepless because of you. And their heart is broken here. Pain in their heart. They want to, again, they want a stable start with you. They want to offer you stability, a seed, and want to grow into a strong tree, a strong foundation they want to offer you. But the thing is that this person's heart is broken here. They are missing the good moments, the way they feel with you, the emotions you gave to them. It's amazing, and they are missing the moments they have, the beautiful moments they have with you. When they are happy, when you make them happy, connect them to their inner child and connect them to feelings and emotions, and they feel all the beautiful feelings with you. And this moments breaking this person's heart. This person is heartbroken and in anxiety and totally restless and sleepless. And now they want to offer you a strong foundation with stability. And you are like, there is some Knight of Cups. There is some kind of soft feelings and poetic and romantic feelings in you. You are like this is the energy, like everything is in your chart. It's so straightforward, but Knight of Cups, deep down inside you, there is feelings and emotions, and your romantic side is again bubbling up for this person. These feelings inside you are bubbling up again, rising in you. And with this Judgment card, something realize, you something find out, some kind of awakening call in you, and you think you should give a chance to this person. You should talk to this person, and about this specific matter, you are like this Two of Swords. Should you talk this person? Should you give this person second chance or not? This is what you are thinking, and you are thinking over on a logic. You are analyzing this on a logic. You are not using your heart here. You are using your brain in this matter and want to decide what should you do. And yes, you are so calculative, straightforward and strict here. And you are like cold a little bit feelings. You are not letting your feelings to mislead you. And you are like the King of Swords, straightforward, calculative and strict here. a little bit cold toward this person and want to take a decision here, and using your brain and logic here, you some kind of awakening call in you. Maybe deep down you should you think like that you should give a chance to this person, and you feel the soft feelings, still a soft corner in your heart, and there is this person. You are this person's remedy, you are this person's cure, you are lucky for this person. And the emotions are ups and down here, and they think like that only you can cure them, only your words, your softness, your kindness can cure this person from this heartbreaking situation and this anxiety and depression and sleepless nights. And you, there is a possibility, like there is some kind of passion switched inside you. You feel some kind of passion in you, and there is some kind of a new thing uh, again switched on, a new passion switched on inside you, a fresh one. Okay, let's see what else we have for you, Libra. What else for Libra? What else we have for Libra? And we are having here Seven of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and King of Cups. So with this Seven of Wands, this person willing to, ready to fight for you. They ready to take a stand. They feel like that they now they should do, instead of giving up on you, they should take a stand, should fight for you. There is some kind of in this person's mind intentions like that. They try to fight for you, and they are not giving up on you easily. And with this Knight of Pentacles, you want to not rushing into the second chance, but slowly you are offering stability, and there is some kind of some kind of flexibility toward this person from your side, but slow, not rushing into this. And you are like offering this stability with full arm. You really don't want to vulnerable in front of this person. You are totally armed and offering this person stability because you really don't want to get hurt. So taking it slow. And with this King of Cups, stability, settle down emotions, understanding, love, value, what is commitment. They should know that value of love, responsibility, what is the responsibility in love. They should, this is what you got, this is both should realize that what is the responsibilities in love, what is commitment, what is the value of commitment in love. Stable emotions, stable romance. Instead of being immature, you need to be more stable in your emotions. This is who you are, Libra, and balanced person, and you want this from this person. They need to be more responsible toward this connection. Okay, let's see, what should you do, what else, how should you do, and what should you do, what else, how to heal, how to deal in this situation. And Four of Wands, Strength, Justice. With this Four of Wands, you guys need to like celebrate each other. There is some kind of something that is like definitely happy, that cause you happiness. Just think about that and try to be happy with each another if it possible. And there you need to be complete grip on your emotions. Don't let your feelings and emotions mislead you and blur your vision. So you are strong, you should strong. And with this Justice card, don't compromise over your self, over your self-respect. Don't compromise the equality. Don't be an option here. Just find a right place and be a purity here. Don't give up on your self-respect, and you should find equality in this relationship. Don't give up in on your self-respect, in your don't just give up yourself. Okay, let's see what your angel want to add in this situation. What your angel want to add in this situation. Have faith and hope, because there is something positive and new on the horizon that you can see yet. It's a relevant and positive message from your angel. Have faith and hope. Okay, let's see what advice messages I should have for you. Seek for truth. Share your feelings with your friends. This is, I think, all about. Pray to the God for peace in your life. Walk on grass barefoot. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person is heartbroken, and there is a lot of nights, sleepless nights because of you, and they are missing you and want to offer you stable foundation, and you are going with reality, but still there is a soft corner in you for this person. And share your feelings with your friends. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.